get better. Plus I'm more of a real bitch in my sweater. 50 inches to my ass, I'm a trendsetter. Left my old nigga cause my new nigga flip better. Booked the flight to Puerto Rico, can't believe vacation in Chico. Meeting with a foreign plug nigga named Rico. Sipping out a wine.
What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacie, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and return subscriber, what's up?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. We're gone for a year.
Alrighty guys, so today we are doing a makeup look. Okay, I wanted to do a little bit of some different techniques. I showed you guys one time, but that was in like a get ready with me, so I had to like bring it back and show you guys in this tutorial my new under eye technique that just makes my under eye look so flawless, so smooth, so airbrush. Like, y'all have to see that trick. So before we get into the video, I'm not gonna talk too much, but let me just let you guys know something, because you guys know y'all like my family and y'all just know everything. I'm gonna be launching some lip glosses soon. I'm so excited, y'all. Literally, I've been wanting to do this for so freaking long, and I'm like, I don't know why I was waiting, but you guys know I love like a perfect nude. I love a brown lip with a perfect nude in the middle, and it's like, yeah, I could find some, but why not make your own? Sorry, y'all, the AC just turned on, so it's gonna get a little loud. But yes, so it's like I finally made my own product, and I'm super duper excited. So if you are ready for some Team Stacie cosmetics in your makeup kit, girl, type some fire signs right now. Let me know y'all is ready for this. I'm so excited. Let me know, are y'all ready to shop Team Stacie cosmetics? Because I want to know. Okay, so if you guys are interested in seeing how we achieve this beautiful makeup look, I'm talking the perfect lip, okay, I'm talking, you know, that siren eye kind of, and a very smooth under eye, definitely keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna clear off our skin. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this witch hazel, wipe down my skin, making sure it's ready for the makeup, girl. So I did go ahead and do my eyebrows. You guys know I have an eyebrow tutorial. If you guys want an updated one, I can give that to you guys, but I like to take my ultimate brow pencil from Wet n Wild, which is super inexpensive, girl. It's like $4, but I'm gonna go ahead and just take this eyebrow pencil, and we're just gonna do my eyebrows. I did my eyebrows very light, and I brushed them out like very lightly because I have blonde hair, so you know I can't have the dark brows, girl. No dark brows. So we're gonna prep our skin. I'm gonna take the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Moisturizer for a moisturizer. I'm crying, obviously. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer and prime my skin. You know, I wanted that hydrating, you know, that hydrating look. So then I'm gonna go with my NARS. Bougie, I know, but you guys can use the dupe. The Juvias Place Radiant Foundation is a dupe for this. But guys, I did a makeup look not too long ago, and I don't know what happened. I don't know if I got a tan, I don't know, but my NARS, my Juvia's Place was just so light for me, so that's why I'm back with the expensive one, my NARS baby. But yeah, I'm just putting that all over my skin. I'm using a brush so I can get that full coverage, but I only use 3.5 pumps. So now we're gonna go ahead and take my favorite concealer. Guys, I just did a makeup shopping blog, and I'm gonna show you guys that video soon, but I did try a new concealer, so I'm excited to show you guys that later. But this is my reliable. This is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I'm obsessed with it. You guys know I put it in my T-zone. Then I'm going to take my black Opal Cream Foundation, and this is in shade Hazelnut. I'm going to go ahead and just contour. I like to contour while I let my concealer sit so we can get a little bit more full coverage. Okay, girl, go ahead. I'm taking my same foundation brush just to blend it out. You guys don't have to invest in too many brushes, especially if you're new to makeup. You do not need to buy 10,000 different brushes, and if you do need to buy more brushes, go with the more expensive route. If you wanted an angle brush to blend out your contour, you can use the Wet n Wild $1 angle brush from Dollar Tree to blend it out and get the same look that I'm gonna get. Okay, you guys know I'm always gonna give you guys the gems, always gonna give you guys the tea. Okay, so now I'm going ahead and taking my dupe for a Real Techniques blending brush. This is from Shein. I'm gonna go ahead and just blend my under eye. As you see, I'm not blending it upward, I'm blending it into that part of my under eye that has no makeup there, and that's what's just gonna make it not have too much product, look very light but still very, you know, covered. Alright guys, so after everything's blended, I'm gonna go back in and I'm gonna take, this is another dupe from Shein. This is a Real Techniques like buff. I think the number is originally supposed to be like 402, but this is from Real Techniques. I'm gonna go ahead and just blend out the side of my nose contour and then blend out my, you know, actual highlight. Then this is my hack, okay? So after I blend out my cream concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and take a face powder. I like to use a MAC. It is expensive, it's like $40, but you can use a Fit Me powder or a Black Radiance face powder. But first you want to set with that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take my translucent setting powder from Mercier, and I'm gonna push this into my skin. I'm gonna set. We're not baking yet. First you want to push it into the skin after you put the face powder, blend it in, and then you want to go in with one more layer. This is going to be our baking. I promise you, do this technique and you are going to see how blurred your under eye looks, how airbrushed your makeup looks. It just is undeniably raw, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and take my Glamabronze from Morphe and I'm gonna bronze up my face. After every cream you put down, you want to set it with a powder. This is so your makeup is not sliding around and moving everywhere. Next up, I'm gonna take my Juvias Place blush, and this is in volume 5. This color is just so pretty and I think it looks so good with my blonde hair. It's just so cute. I'm gonna go ahead, cut out my contour, then go back in, carve out my eyebrows with some concealer. I did go ahead and make a little mistake and just like mess up my eyebrows just a little bit. You'll see me do it right here. Just, you saw my eyes get big, girl. But it was an easy fix. Any mess up you make with makeup, 9 times out of 10, you can always go back and fix it. See, I just wiped it off light-handedly and you couldn't even tell I made a mess up. But I'm gonna go ahead, just carve out my brows, making sure they stand out because they are light, but that carving out is going to make it, you know, stand out on my face. Next up, I'm going to go back in with my dense fleshy. Ooh, girl, I cannot talk. I'm going to go back in with my dense fluffy brush, blend out my concealer under my eye. I'm going to put a little bit more on my eye as a base, blend that out. And then I'm going to go ahead and take that same bronzer and put that all over my lid. This is that soft glam look, so we're not doing anything crazy with our eyeshadow, but we're just going to buff that right on the lid. This is going to tie everything together. And guess what? Every cream needs to be set with the powder. So I'm going to go ahead and take the bronzer and bring it down my nose bridge to set that cream that we had put there as a contour. So for eyeliner, I genuinely feel like my eyeliner really made this look. So I'm doing a very, very bold Nicki Minaj inspired eyeliner. As you see, very, very bold. We are winging her out. If you guys want an updated tutorial on how I do my eyeliner, definitely let me know. I know my eyeliner, I've making it look so easy. But today with my eyeliner, I did switch it up. I did bring it out. So I also extended the front of my liner. That's where it kind of gives that siren eye. I used to have such a hard time doing this, but it's not as hard as I used to make it be. Honestly, you just literally want to pull out the front of the liner to like kind of like the corner of the tear duct, and then to make it have that, like, I don't know, that siren kind of effect. When you put your eyeliner on, you connect the two. So you want to connect the top to the bottom, as you see I'm doing right here. And that's what's going to make that eye just look so sultry, so sexy, and surprisingly, it makes your eyes look bigger. So usually black makes your eyes look smaller, like black makes you look slimmer, but for some reason it makes my eyes look so big and like the focus. So these lashes will be linked down below in my description box. These are my dramatic lashes. I love this lash set. I use it so much. I used every freaking lash on there. I just love it. So anyways, after putting my lashes on with my bonding glue, call me ratchet, I don't care. I'm gonna dust off my excess setting powder with face powder that's close to my skin tone. I believe this shade is in C8, but I will put that in the description box. Then I'm gonna take a brighter one and dust off my under eye so my under eye stays bright. Here, we're just doing my lip liner, guys. I know I'm moving a little fast, but that's the beauty of YouTube. You guys can always go back, rewind it as much as you want. So this is the start of the show. Team Stacie Cosmetics, girl, yes, okay. So I did not name this baby yet, but this is going to be releasing very, very soon. I'm so freaking excited. This color is just so bomb. It is the perfect nude shade, universal. Look at my lips, y'all. Look at my lips, okay? I look too good. So here we set with the Milani original setting spray, which I really love that. I would say it's close to a dupe from the Morphe. Not exactly, but it's very inexpensive. It's probably like $10 and I really do like it. Here I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and this is from Marshall's. Actually, I think it was like $20 from Marshall's, which is a steal. We're just highlighting, and yeah, we look so good. I know I just popped in with the bang, okay, the bang. If you guys want to see details on this hair, I will drop a video on that soon. But y'all, ooh, this look was given. I think my favorite thing is my eyes and my lips. Like, I just look so freaking raw, period. All right, guys, so that is the end of today's video. I hate when we get to the end, but you guys know I'm gonna be dropping more content, so it is okay. But yes, guys, in today's video, I hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup tutorial. Hopefully it was easy to follow. But y'all, this makeup is so bomb. I love it. You guys know I love me like a soft glam. I feel like this is like club friendly, date night friendly, just picture friendly. You trying to get your content up, whatever. This is like that go-to look that you want to master. You master this, you could do anything with your makeup. Also, like I said in the beginning of the video, I hope you guys are ready for my Team Stacie Cosmetics to release. Please, like, let me know if you guys are ready. Drop some shopping carts down below. Let me know you guys are ready to shop Team Stacie Cosmetics. I need to hear it in the comments, okay? I love you guys so freaking much. If you made it this far in this video, go ahead and comment down below this secret emoji. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Join the team like it's Nike and just do it, okay? I love you guys so much, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.